My boyfriend snores.
My boyfriend snores. My boyfriend snores.
My boyfriend snores.
And it's not like one of those cute snores. It sounds like a freaking dying whale. That shit's loud.
I've tried everything. Earplugs, earmuffs, sleeping upside down, rolling him over, closing his nose, smothering him with a pillow. I don't know what to do. And when I told him he snores, guess what he said to me?
How about I let you sleep first so you don't have to hear me snore?
You seriously think I could sleep through that siren?
I'm a night sleeper. I didn't sleep that night and I woke the next day. It was really bad.
She party too hard?
Her boyfriend snores.
Oh, good thing I don't have a boyfriend.
So I made him sleep outside and it's been so good since. Feels so much better.
I just let him sleep. Because I love him. You know, they say sacrificing your happiness of the ones you love is the best kind of sleep. I love him. Oh, I actually left him. Like, excuse me, I need my beauty sleep.
So I found these guys online that sold this like anti-snoring bracelet. I gave it to my boyfriend and basically it sends him an electric shock every time he snores. So I don't have to wake him up. It's pretty freaking awesome, man. Like, it actually works and I can actually sleep now. Like, starting this 2016, brand new me, brand new sleep, brand new good health. You know, that's what I support, and yeah.
I love you so much. What was the line?
Alright. Yeah, keep going, it's good. Yeah.
Okay, I don't have a boyfriend. Hey, what you want?
I lost it.
No worries.